All right, so I've gotten several questions about my last video where I did not really mention Nexo, and so I thought I'd come in and take you a few more steps down the path to help you better understand really what this needs to look like for you. So the first thing I want to do is let me go ahead and share this right here. And this is going to allow me to kind of show you when you go to Nexo, it allows it's same as before, right? You can earn, you could borrow against your crypto, et cetera, right? But one of the things that was fascinating, I think, to some of the people I talked to was you can earn on your stable coins, right? Or your savings account. When you don't want to put money into Bitcoin and deal with the risk of the volatility, right? Like if you don't understand the crypto markets, then the volatility can end up costing you money. And so, what would be a safer way to be a part of the crypto community, get involved, start profiting from it in an interesting way? This is earning crypto is one of the ways. So simply you could go to earn on your euro, your British pound, or your USD. And when you scroll down here, you can earn, like I said, in kind. I've talked about that before, where I put dollars in and I'm going to make interest in dollars. Or Nexo has their own coin and they'll pay me a little bit more. But as you see, it's between 10 and 12%. One of the things that's interesting about Nexo is they have $375 million of insurance to insure the assets that they're protecting, right? This is a big benefit, mainly because we're starting to look at the crypto space and saying, all right, these places like BlockFi and Nexo and Celsius Network, they are the new banks, right? They're the decentralized banking world. And so for the banking side of the world, traditionally we have FDIC, right? We have an insurance product that backs the loss of any sort of hack or theft or something like that, right? Well, the crypto community doesn't necessarily have that, but it is evolving slowly but surely. There are more and more insurance products hitting the market over the last, I'd say, 18 months or so. But this one really talks about how they do have decent amount of insurance, and obviously they got 1.5 million users, is what they said. But if you go down here and you scroll down, you can watch a little video, and then I want to say somewhere along here they had a little thing you could play with. I guess not. You get the idea though. Is that if you put in $10,000, you can get in kind 10% APY, right? USD interest. The question is, what does that need to look like? And how do we make that happen? So you're going to go and you're going to open your Nexo account, and this is what it's going to look like, right? And when you look at this, this is once you've created an account. One of the things where a lot of people are getting confused is, for whatever reason, you scroll down here and you say USDC or Tether. These are your stable coins. You see where it says top up and then it says withdraw. Top up actually means deposit. I have no idea why in the world they call it that, but I'm sure we could Google it and find out. But you'll simply hit top up, and this is your deposit address. You'll hit this right here. You can deposit it, or you're going to copy this address, right? So this is your bank account number, so to speak. It's your wallet address, and that address is what you're going to send it to. So you're going to have to go to a Coinbase, Gemini, one of the exchanges. We'll do a video on exchanges as well. You can create an account very simply. You can do them on your phone as well. And you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy all the different crypto, lots of different cryptocurrencies, including some stable coins. And so here recently, I moved some money from my Wells Fargo savings account over to Coinbase, right? Coinbase is an exchange. It's one of the bigger ones. And you can simply buy, if I put $10,000 from my savings account, I move it over and I'm going to buy $10,000 of USD coin. I now have $10,000 of USD coin. I could take that USD coin and then send it from Coinbase to anybody. I could send it to you if I wanted to, and we don't need any intermediary. We don't need anyone's permission. I could simply move the money over. Unlike with Wells Fargo, if I want to send money from Wells Fargo to you, from my Wells Fargo account to your account, I have to have Wells Fargo's permission. And if they decide it is no longer deemed a transaction they want to be a part of, they just won't let it happen, right? We saw this a lot when I was getting involved in crypto in 2017, where the banks were like, I'd rather not. We don't want it. We don't want you to send any of your money over to Coinbase because we don't want to participate. Well, that stopped me from being able to buy Bitcoin when it was substantially cheaper, right? So you get the ideas. But once you have this, you're going to go over to your exchange and you'll simply be able to send and receive. You're going to send it from your USD wallet over there to this USD wallet and transfer it over, and we'll go from there. So hopefully that's a little bit deeper dive. It allows you to simply fill up your balance. You obviously can deposit anytime you want. You can withdraw anytime you want and go from there. Hopefully that helps.